Looks like Adidas and Pharrell Williams are gearing up for another collaboration for 2018. These are the first official photos of an unreleased Adidas Pharrell collaboration, and this sneaker is now being dubbed the Pharrell Adidas Solar Glide Hue ST Boost. Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid. Today, I want to give you guys a first look at my initial thoughts of this up-and-coming Adidas Pharrell collaboration. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button. Let's get right into it, ladies and gentlemen. So these are the first official photos of an up-and-coming Pharrell Adidas collaboration. It is being dubbed the Solar Glide Hue ST Boost. We have no official release date or a price point at this present moment, but you have a multicolor upper with a white boost midsole and a black outsole. You have hits of orange on your toe, yellow on your mid panel. You have a red tongue with white Adidas branding. You have a turquoise heel cup, and you have a purple heel tab. But I'm curious to know, what do you guys think about this? You like it? You hate it? You copping? You passing? No real official details, but I just wanted to give you guys a first look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.